As a top retailer of custom specialties and historical artifacts, Arcade Motors makes it easy for you to find cool versions of a variety of collector cars. With that in mind, we're also the outfit that strives to bring our clients unique and well-done offerings that are approachable and easily streetable. On that note, our latest lights-out classic is this sweet Chevy 3100, a timeless hot rod that, thanks to its massage chassis, modern air conditioning, and proven 350-700 R4 drivetrain, cruises the blacktop like a champ. Ready for weekend road trips and evening cruise-ins, this 3100 is poised to provide years of entertainment for its new owner. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.